What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about the Bullseye trading bot that I've installed on our Discord. Okay, I see a lot of people are joining. A lot of people are wanting to know, how do you use this trading bot, CSI? And it's very simple. If you come to our Discord, all right, the first thing you're going to see is the welcome section. All right, you get announcements and music videos that I've done, that I've personally done, CSI merchandise. You come to the clubhouse, and you got the clubhouse chat. That's where we do our group chat. AMC discussion is in that channel. YouTube channels, tweets, and Chris's research. Chris is one of our best research people, okay? But what everybody's wanting to know is, CSI, tell us about the trading bot on your Discord. Okay. First off, when you get up here to the trading bot section, you're going to see $1,000 challenge. All right, you click on that, and you're going to see my journey to turn $1,000 into $5,000 within 30 days. And then after that, I'm going to have a $5,000 to $20,000 or $25,000 challenge. I'm not sure yet. But I started off, I had $1,000. I got on the second day, I had $89 more. And then today I was up $254.15. That's really fucking good, people. These are good trades. Over here, you will find the bots, okay? The Bullseye bot is right here. And all day long, the Bullseye trading bot sends you suggestions with what the confidence that the AI has after evaluating millions of points of data concerning the options. It's came up with this particular tip that you should pay attention to, is what it's saying. For example, on the SPY, it is telling us that we need to buy a put. All right, right there. And the strike price is going to be $141, and it's going to have an expiration of 8/29. All right, which is yesterday. It had a 77% confidence that it would go to the moon. All right. In the SQQQ, it says to buy a call at $20 strike price for 9/1/2023, and the confidence of it is 68.46% that it will go to the moon. But does that mean this bot is going to be right? If you look at this trade and the suggestion that it's giving you and you jump in, will it be successful? The answer, probably not, okay? Now, I had 3 winning trades today from the Bullseye bot because I used my trading strategy and I was teaching it to one of the people in the Discord on what they need to do to get in, get up, get out, all right? Now, on the SPY suggestion that it gave, if we look at the chart, you will see this is the very first thing you should do with any alerts that are coming in. You want to go to your trading view chart. If you don't have a membership, the link's down below in the description along with the Discord link, and you want to mark that alert. All right, and in this particular case, I'm on the SPY, and the alert came in right here to buy a put. All right, and a quick look down at my RSI told me it had just crossed over, and the histogram is showing me that it's having strong buy pressure. All right, and then down here that's the MACD, I'm sorry, and down here in the RSI, when the alert come in, I could see that it was over. But I also have a resistance line right here from past RSIs where they went oversold, and they oversold to that amount. All right, so I have a line here that shows that it can go as high as that line, and it was only here, so it had room to still go. So you knew not to get into that according to your MACD crossover and histogram and your RSI. All right, just watch my videos. You'll see me mapping them out like this, and it'll be very simple for you to start doing on your own. Next thing you know, you'll be seeing an alert in the Discord that Bullseye trading bot says SPY at this price. The first thing you're going to want to do is come in here and mark it. all right, on your chart, and then you look at your other indicators. Now, you might use Bollinger Bands, all right, and your Bollinger Bands is telling you don't buy yet. See, these are only suggestions. The bot is telling you, hey, I believe this thing's fixing to turn around, but it does still have room to fall. You have to check your indicators that you like to use to determine what your entry point will be. It only gave you the suggestion. Now, it said buy a put, and it kept running up, and it got to this point, and it pulled back. But I'm seeing it's above my 20 and my 50, and it's above right here, and it came down a little bit, but it's about ready to top out. So I'm starting to wonder, is this really the time to buy a put right here? But I said no, because it's still above it here, and it's still above it right here. So we let it ride on up, and it did. And instead of buying the put at the time that the bot said to buy it, I'm waiting on it to meet my conditions. Now, right here, it's above it, and it came down and it almost touched it, and it looks right here on the MACD, it crossed over, and right here, it's underneath my RSI line. So this would be my first entry, but that alert was only good for yesterday. It's not good for today, tomorrow, or today. All right, so I have an entry point right here for a put that I now know, and I wait till tomorrow. So I did not get into the SPY trade. I didn't lose any money. Why? Because I checked my indicators before I made the purchase. So, just because it tells you to buy a call or a put does not necessarily mean you got to go to your chart. You have to check your indicators, people. If you don't even have the basics down, go watch a couple of videos on support and resistance lines, all right? And I'll be doing some videos on it too, so that everybody can learn how to use these bots. We had 3 winning trades today because we waited to enter. Like one Discord member says, do I get in now? And I said, I would wait. According to the indicators, it's telling me not yet. And then when the indicators lined up and the bullseye trading bot gave the suggestion, that's when we got in, and that's when we made $165 today. All right, so with that, we have other things. We got the option sweeps, where when you get this alert on option sweeps, you have to move fast. And that means you have to look at the alert, go plot it on your chart, get ready and go, because these option sweeps happen fast. That's why I don't particularly care for them, but some people do. Crypto signals, crypto breakouts. On the cryptos breakouts right here, mana, all right, and here's Bitcoin. Click on the picture, and it's going to give you the support line, resistance lines, all right, and it's going to show you where the stock or Bitcoin is at right now, and it's right there. Now you can go to your charts, plot out when you get the alert, watch for your indicators to line up, and then you buy into Bitcoin if you're a Bitcoin trader. All right, we got stock breakouts. Stock breakouts take out all the mystery. All right, this one right here is for NEM. It's breaking out on the hourly right there. See the resistance line and the resistance line? If it can move up into that, then you know that it's going to probably go to there. So you would figure out that that's $1. Maybe you could scalp 15-20 cents off the option, and you'll be in good fucking money making shape. All right, so that's how we use the trading bots. All right, then I have bullseye profits, and this is one of the ones where Little Green Candle was in, and she was like, well, do I sell it or do I hold it? And I said, according to the indicators, you should hold it. I wouldn't let it go yet. And sure enough, it went from a negative to a positive, and she made $44.86 by following the indicators. All right, she said, boom, thank you so much, CSI. And then we made $1,254 on day 3, I'm bragging about that. We made $57.55 on the Google. She made $14.86 on that trade. We made $49 on that trade, $50 on this trade from Crypto Chicken, and we're just getting started, people. I just connected this bot 2 days ago, and everybody is learning how to use it. And Little Green Candle is the biggest one. She's learning right now, so y'all be able to turn to her, and she'll be able to help you with some of the non-financial advice. Just two friends talking. You're going to find yourself, you're going to want to pair up with somebody that's an accountability partner that'll keep you from jumping into the play too early. The two of you trade during the day together, and you look at it and go, well, I don't like the RSI and the MACD. Well, the Bollinger Band say it's ready to go, or whatever the case may be. Team up with somebody that's in the Discord. Everybody's new to using these bots. So study this video, learn that you have to use your indicators, and then on the next video I'm going to tell you the second most important thing besides the entry and how to find them according to the bot. I'm going to show you what the exit is. All right, because Little Green Candle says, when do we get out? Because she was up pretty good. And I'm like, the indicators tell you that too. So with that, I love y'all. Sorry this is so long. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.